players now omo koye no enyo mu nyina na bad nuts
to you.
Yes. Francis Aqua of formerly became left back no.
How will you know? Player nyo no nete. Unte campo binti. How will you know say or a bad nut and as one yet?
Because yenti any bad news of him our camp. Others ni atete. So I think say Tinkler next time no ohun hawa obe classify niema because any place in Ghana indeed no me bad nut, which of course bad nuts there explainable and it will take communicators of Kotoko and there was a bit chim what bad nuts and our more can was him, but I think say player no so what the brand they which what I say so only we Million now to the page. I'm going to talk of issues. Ideally, coaches are supposed to develop talents, and yes, sir.
Talent here.
And in the course of developing talents, you know, who incur challenges, sir, I was all come because report I about say players beat to say Walid name of Hussein Eugene. And the game, no, you see, about one of the finest games as a player, all because Tinkler at me, I'm on that renewal of mind. So player development, one aspect of a coach. You person coach, obefe teamer. Performance of players no what that no. Eugene, we expect you to add up or multiply their performance, especially their work rates, and you need a training pitch to develop players. As some now can he's talked about development too. And I or say how do you develop a player? And I say fly no on betuswa. He's talking about development, and in football development, you cannot take away the standard of the pitch. How are you going to improve a player on a pitch like this? So it's about development. And so in the course of developing the player, no, say the pitch, which a basic need, a issue, it was all voice out. It was all voice out. But just say the Nicole Cano. We are aware of Yanyare. Pitches here, coach, a training was we. In our perspective, in the Ghanaian standard, they are deemed as one of the best pitches in the city and in the country. Mebwa. Legon Sports Stadium. Obia nim say ye organize ye All African Games. So one of the facilities you see yen chair. Say crowd the coach yan country coach say mpunu. You know okay season now Kotoko ni golden cake ebo final of the FA Cup e ho no. Goal post na nim na hu ateche wo. So coach, these ones are even the better ones at our level. It's your feel about the pitches, whether you like it or yes. I also would so now get 3 points. We'll cry here, coach, training pre-seasonal games. There is nothing at stake. The president and as a democracy cabinet that you know. And for now, we are highly competitive compared to games Tinkler abo within this period. But coach, you're starting league now. Your pitches be in our Ghanaian standard. The work training was we far better than those pitches. But coach, you have to provide the team. You have to condition the team in such a way, say, Kotoko 4 and here 3 points. So the coach now can, you know, or say he has won in the previous coaching career. Yes, I don't know what kind. he is here.
He's a winner.
Yes. So who a winner? Cycle self say country now abemuno. Your biggest headache, your biggest problem, and your pitches now the ball games, you know.
Country now abande ye bibiasa ambinisa.
Ana you bet me amano stadium bet me aboa in your own capacity. So bet you
as then
as the host of Pramaso. What to near form? Watch one of the pitches. One my green grass technology contract. On my yama more in league also. And yes, idea. On cycle itself say pitches need be all crana. And where security issues crab rise it. Onyanko baby or that out now. I think say and you call for the but it happens and I'm someone call opposition venue be union security concerns and no crying ambemu and the coach you came here to win, you came here to develop. Name these are the challenges on finding a way obet me manage.
Okay,
on finding a way the style of play no and Emma pitch no deter from winning. The what I say because pitches need here Eugene
and 1 year.
And 1 year.
But I say